Hello everyone, it's Onye here, and today we're going to be doing a first impressions sound demo of the brand new Philips Ph805 over-ear headphones. Now this is a newer version from their 8000 series, and I actually consider this to be a reasonably close alternative to the Sony WH-1000X Mark III in terms of the sound quality and some features. But in this video, we're going to be focusing only on the sound performance of these headphones. I'm going to be using my in-ear binaural microphones, so for the best experience, I suggest you use headphones. With all of that being said, let's listen in.
ANC on.
Okay guys, keep in mind that the recordings might translate a little differently on your end, depending on the headphones and the devices that you're using to listen. However, the recording you just heard has gone through layers of equalization just to get it closer to how I actually hear these headphones. With that said, here are my thoughts. First of all, I would like to say well done to Philips for crafting out this level of quality at the given price. Now, if you like the Sony 1000XM3's sound signature, but you only have half as much to spend, then the Philips Ph805 will get you all the way there. Now, I can happily rank these headphones in the same ballpark with the best of the best. Now, the sound quality is really good, and high resolution audio is also available on these headphones. Okay, now let's talk about the bass. The bass is really excellent. It hits really hard and it gives the music all the fullness that is needed. However, on really bass heavy songs at maximum volume, I can hear the drivers lose control slightly. You can actually hear it fluttering a bit, but not in a bad, distorted way, but it's noticeable. Okay, moving on to the mid-range, I think they did a really good job here. Now, everything sounds balanced, although I do miss some high frequency sparkle. It just lacks a bit of crispiness in the high frequencies. But that's not to say these headphones are not clear enough. It just makes the overall sound signature to be on the darker side. So if you like the sound signature of the Sony 1000XM3s, then you'll definitely be at peace with the Philips Ph805. Now, everything else about these headphones is on the excellent side, the premium build quality and the sound quality. However, it does lack a bit on the ANC department. Some button functionalities are just not as well thought out like the Sony's. I might make a full review on these headphones, so let me know if you guys want to see that video. You can go ahead and use the polls on the right side of the screen to cast your vote and suggestions. I'd highly recommend these headphones, especially for the build quality and the sound quality.
And that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And as always, be sure to enjoy your music, and I'll see you again in the next video. you.